Ever found yourself stranded without internet while traveling, wishing you could access free Wi-Fi to save your data? You're not alone. Many of us miss out on nearby free Wi-Fi hotspots simply because we don't know how to find them. Imagine effortlessly downloading movies or completing tasks without burning through your mobile data. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all free Wi-Fi is created equal, and knowing how to locate, connect, and use it safely can make all the difference. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to finding free Wi-Fi, connecting securely, and protecting your personal data along the way. Finding free Wi-Fi made easy. When you're on the go and your device's internet fails, free Wi-Fi can be a lifesaver. However, most people remain unaware of the hotspots around them. According to a report by the Indian Express, several apps can simplify this process. Tools like InstaBridge, Wi-Fi Map, Wi-Fi Around Me, and Wi-Fi Finder act as digital treasure maps, pinpointing free Wi-Fi locations near you. These apps not only display hotspots on a map or list, but also provide login details and user reviews, making your search seamless. Available on both Android and iOS, they're your go-to companions for staying connected. Connecting to free Wi-Fi, step by step. Ready to connect? First, ensure your device, whether it's a phone, laptop, or tablet, supports Wi-Fi. Once you're in a location with free Wi-Fi, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and select the desired network from the available options. But here's where it gets controversial. Public networks often require additional steps, like accepting terms on a web page or entering an email address. Some even ask for a password, which might be displayed nearby. Pro tip: always verify the network's legitimacy before connecting to avoid potential scams. Staying safe on public Wi-Fi. While free Wi-Fi is convenient, it comes with risks. And this is the part most people miss. Public networks are often less secure, making your data vulnerable. To protect yourself, avoid sharing sensitive information like bank details or passwords. Keep your device secure by using a screen lock and never leaving it unattended. Opt for secure connections like your home Wi-Fi or mobile data for sensitive tasks such as online shopping. Use a VPN to encrypt your data and add an extra layer of security. Bold question for you. Do you think the convenience of free Wi-Fi outweighs its security risks? Share your thoughts in the comments. By following these steps, you can enjoy unlimited internet while safeguarding your personal data. So, the next time you're out and about, remember, free Wi-Fi might just be a tap away. Stay connected, stay safe, and make the most of every hotspot.